In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a survey in Mailchimp. If you've already created a survey and you're ready to collect responses right from your email, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to place that survey inside a Mailchimp campaign. We'll open your campaign, switch into the design editor, add the survey content block, customize its text, choose the survey you want, and then wrap up by saving your changes. I'll also share a few quick tips along the way so your audience is more likely to notice and click. Start by heading to your Mailchimp account and opening the Campaigns area. From the list of campaigns, choose the one where you want the survey to appear. If you manage multiple campaigns, it can be helpful to scan the status and subject lines to make sure you're editing the correct one, especially if you're working from a template or duplicating past sends. Once you have the right campaign open, look for the option to edit the email content and click Edit Design. This moves you into the email editor where you control layout, blocks, and styling. Inside the editor, you'll see your email preview along with the Tools panel. Navigate to Content Blocks. This is where you'll find all of the drag and drop elements you can add to your message, like text, images, buttons, and, importantly for this tutorial, the survey block. Locate the survey block in the panel and drag it into your email layout. Drop it exactly where you want readers to encounter it. For best results, consider placing it near the top third of your email so it's visible without much scrolling. If you already have a headline or short intro, placing the survey right after that can increase clicks. You can always adjust spacing with padding or dividers later to keep the design balanced and easy to scan. Once the survey block is in place, click it to open its settings panel. You'll notice you can rename the button or call to action text that appears with the survey. Keep this short, clear, and action-oriented. Phrases like, "Take the survey," "Share your feedback," or "Answer a quick question" tend to work well. Aim for something that sets expectations and makes it obvious what will happen when they click. This is also a good moment to ensure the font, color, and alignment fit your brand style and remain accessible. High contrast and concise wording help on mobile devices. Next, open the Select a Survey drop-down in the block's Settings. You'll see a list of your existing surveys. Choose the one you want to embed in this campaign. If you manage multiple surveys, double-check the survey title to confirm you're linking to the right one. This process assumes you've already created your survey in Mailchimp. The block simply connects that existing survey to your email. After selecting it, review any available preview or summary to confirm everything looks correct. The block will function as a direct path for your readers to engage with the survey, so accuracy here matters. When you're satisfied with the text and the selected survey, click Done to save the block's settings. Give the entire email one more pass to confirm spacing, headings, and any surrounding content still read naturally with the new survey in place. A brief sentence leading into the survey can improve clarity, such as a short line thanking readers for their time or explaining why their feedback matters. Keep it light and respectful of their time. That's it. Your survey is now embedded in your Mailchimp campaign. As a final quality check before sending, use your regular preview methods to ensure the layout looks good on both desktop and mobile. Clear, concise copy near the survey block, strong contrast for the button, and smart placement near the top of your message can all boost engagement. Once everything looks right, proceed with your normal send or scheduling process. Your audience will receive the email with a straightforward way to share their feedback, helping you learn and improve with every campaign.